Hello guys, if you're looking to create and automate certificates using your Airtable data, you are in right place. So let's dive right in and get started. I have an Airtable base with some dummy data that we'll be using to create our certificate. These are a few records which we'll be using. And this is a certificate template built using Google Docs and we'll be using it. You can also use your own templates. So let's get into it. We'll be using a tool called the PDF Maker to do this. I have logged into the tool and you'll get the tool link in the description, so do check it out. Now let's create a template for our certificate. Click on this plus icon. Let's name it as okay, and we'll be using Airtable. You can also use Notion or your API to do so, but we'll be using Airtable in this demo. For the first time, when you select Airtable, you'll have to give permission for your base. Click on next, select the base. This is the base and this is the table we'll be using. So select the table as certificates. Then what will be your output field? So our output field is also certificates. This is the output field, and you can also give your PDF custom name. So let's use this. We'll be using ID and click on next. So here we have a template already set up, but if you want to use your own template, just like me, I have this template. We'll be using this template. So click on here, replace Google Doc and select the template. So our template is here. Now let's use the fields in our template. I'll be closing this one. So let's use the name at the place of name. Okay, and here date, completion date. By the way, these are the fields coming from your Airtable itself, as you can see. And another, we have this ID of the certificate. Let's use ID. Okay, so we have set up the template. So name, completion date and ID. After you're done with the editing, you can click on save, and we have two options, or you can call it as two methods to generate certificates. You can use a Airtable extension, which is approved by Airtable from the PDF Maker, which is this. You can get this extension by clicking on add an extension. Here you can search PDF Maker and you'll get this. Click on add extension and it will add the extension. As you can see, this is the same extension we have up here, so we'll be using this. So you have the template here, so which is the template we just created, this one. We have this template. Click on it, like select the template and select the output field as certificates and select this and click on generate. This will take a couple of seconds and your certificate will be generated. As you can see, our certificate is generated. Our name has been replaced, date, and the ID as well. So this is the first way of generating certificates. One more thing, you can also select multiple records and select the template, then output field, and click on generate, and it will generate for all the records. Okay. And for the second method, you can go here. Second method is for those people who want to automate this process. So to automate this process, click on this icon which says automate this template. And here we have three options: automation script, script extension, and webhook. Okay, so webhook works like this one, only. So you have this button here and you click on it and your PDF will get generated. Okay, like the certificate. Let's use the automation script. Okay, click on copy. Now go to, just for the sake of automation, let me create a checkbox. Okay, this will be using in the automation. Now here, when a record matches the condition, let's select the table, and the condition is if done is this, then this will happen. Okay, so this is our condition. You can set as complex as it is, but just for the demo we are keeping it simple. And in the action you can select, let me delete this one, and you can select transcript, and here just paste the stuff we copied from here. Okay, paste the stuff. And one more thing, click on this add, and you are seeing this red line. Copy this, paste it here, click on this plus, select Airtable record ID. Once you are done, just click on finish editing and enable this automation. That's it, you're done with the automation. As I mentioned earlier, you can set up this condition whatever you like. Now go back to data. Now we have set up the condition is that whenever we check this, it will generate the certificate. Let's try this, and in couple of seconds our certificate will be shown right here. As you can see, our certificate is here with John Jason, date, and the ID. As you can see here, it is John Jason, date, and the ID. So this is how you automate your certificate generation process. If you have any questions or any doubts, feel free to ask us in the comment and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.